As you have learned about prime factorization, it will be easier for you to find the highest common factor, or commonly known as HCF. What is highest common factor? The highest common factor of two or more numbers is the largest number that divides evenly into all the numbers. There are two methods to do this. The first is prime factorization. The second method is listing factors. Let's begin with the first method. This method is more efficient for larger numbers. Again, the steps are on the left and the examples are on the right. The first step is finding the prime factors for each number. In this example, we're going to use the number 60 and 84. Using the prime factorization method, you will get 60 equals 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 5, and 84 equals 2 to the power of 2 times 3 times 7. The next step is to identify the common prime factors and the lowest exponents. In this example, the common prime factors for number 60 and 84 are the number 2 and the number 3. In both the number 2's, the lowest exponent is 2. And in both the number 3's, the lowest exponent is 1. The last and final step is to multiply those common prime factors together. If the prime numbers appear more than once in all the numbers, include it as many times. In this example, you will take 2 to the power of 2 times 3. That will give you 4 times 3 and will give you an answer of 12. Therefore, the highest common factor of 60 and 84 is 12. The other method is listing factors. This method is straightforward with smaller numbers. The first step is to list all the factors for each number. We will use number 12 and number 18 to show the example. The factors for number 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The factors for number 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. The next step is to identify the common factors between the two lists. In this example, the common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The last step is to choose the largest common factor. In this example, the highest common factor between 12 and 18 is 6. That's great. Now that you have learned about factors, let's move to multiples.